Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB, and this is the ninth video. We are discussing important questions, 300 important questions for RBI Grade B exam. Now I am taking only phase 2 questions. You can download the PDF, link is given in the description. This question I asked in the last video. Har Ghar Pani, Har Ghar Safai is mission by which state government? And the answer is Punjab. The idea is to give 100% household portable piped water connection by March next year. Now the question is, in a situation when the rate of inflation is decreasing over time, rate of inflation is decreasing, but inflation is still positive. It is called what? I will come to correct answer. Before that, telling about interesting scheme, 60% off. This is the time to make your career. We have the faculty who have cracked RBI Grade B and several other competitive exams, doing classes on daily basis. Every extra mark may be a differentiator in your final selection and also in your rank in RBI, which is your seniority. So this is disinflation. Disinflation is a situation when the rate of inflation is changing, but it is still positive. Inflation is declining, but remaining positive, not to be confused with deflation when there is a decrease in the price level. So inflation means it is increase in the price level. That increase in the price level, say inflation was 6%, now coming to 4%, and then coming to 3.5%. So the rate of change is declining but remaining positive. But deflation is general price level are declining. Which of the following should not be included in the balance of payment account? So balance of payment is about transaction of a country with the rest of the world and all kind of transaction related to trade, related to remittances, any loan payment, etc. From the option you read carefully, then you will figure it out that in this case, when the dividend to equity shareholders is paid by HDFC Bank, which is in India, and the dividend is also paid in India, so this is not going to affect our BOP. While suppose interest payment on a loan given to IMF, so money is going out of the country. On import, you have to make payment in dollars. Any dividend payment to home country investors from a foreign subsidiary. So again here the transaction is happening between the countries. Which of the following is not correct about BCA, business correspondent agent? BC, they provide banking services where there is not a bank branch. Yes, it is correct. They can provide services for more than one bank. Yes, interoperability. That is approved by RBI. And BCAs are appointed by RBI. Who says that? Where is the time RBI has for this small work? This is left to the bank to appoint their BCAs. They provide banking services in rural area. That is also correct. Which of the following does not make a part of the 8 core industries? Often in newspaper you will find this news item about these 8 core industries, which are coal, crude oil, natural gas, petroleum refinery, fertilizer, cement, steel and electricity, but not IT and ITs. See, IT started developing in later 80s in India and now contribute very significant to the economy, but they are not in the 8 core industries. Recently, a national migration portal, Shram Shakti, was launched. The portal comes under which ministry? See, this migration thing is very much in news nowadays, especially after the COVID situation. This is under Tribal Affairs Ministry, and Shram Sathi is about the training for the migrant worker. Remember important things about government scheme. You can't remember everything. Which of the following organization regulates the Indian Energy Exchange? Don't jump to the answer. Seeing an exchange and it is regulated by SEBI? No, not by SEBI, and BSE itself is an exchange. The correct answer is here CERC, Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. And this index is not a new one, it is of 2008. It is an electronic system based power trading exchange regulated by CERC. Whenever you are doing any mock test, read these kind of descriptions in the answer. We at iExamB provide you such details that is much more helpful. Easy one. PMJDY was launched in which year? More important will be how many accounts have been opened here. So this was launched in 2014. I'll come to account opening. Not a program. Which of the following is not a program designed for greater financial inclusion? Read all the options carefully. BCBF model, yes, it is for privatization of the bank. How it has helped in the greater financial inclusion? BCBF model is for financial inclusion. Relax KYC. When people don't have KYC document, RBI relax this for the small value account up to 50,000 of deposit and 1 lakh of transactions. SHG bank linkage is started by NABARD in 1992 and PMJDY is very helpful. Privatization of the bank. In fact, nationalization of the bank up to some extent has been helpful, but choose the best option. Okay, have to choose the best option to mark your answer. Read this one very carefully. If I don't read this question and you read, mark your answer, many of you are going to do a mistake, even if you know. So the question, the trick here is, it is asking not foreign exchange reserve. The question is asking FCAs, foreign currency assets in India's foreign exchange. So the foreign exchange as of today is 580 billion, but foreign currency assets is about 540. And 4 component of reserves are foreign exchange reserve, gold, SDRs and reserve transposition in IMF, where foreign currency assets basically largely comprises of our investment in US government securities is the most important part of it. Under which initiative India is sending vaccines to the neighboring countries? And when I am saying vaccine, it means here COVID vaccine. You have to understood also sometime, it is not written in the question. The answer is vaccine Maitri. Prime Minister said that we are going to share vaccine with the neighboring countries under vaccine Maitri. The STARS project is a union government initiative which is financially aided by World Bank. What is this project associated with? If you know the full form of STARS, strengthening teaching, learning and result for state, which is a union government project for education reforms supported by World Bank, costing 5,700 crore for 6 states: Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, MP, Kerala and Odisha. Important government schemes are always important. If export amounts to 2,000 lakh and imports amount to 2,500 lakh, then the trade balance will be what? Assume these two transactions in an economy. So when we do import, what happens? At the time of import, you have to pay. So that results into the payment of dollar. So you will be paying 2,500 and what you will be receiving for the export is 2,000. So there will be a deficit of 500. In case of export, it is a earning under balance of payment situation. How many accounts have been opened in PMJDY? Do you remember? Do you read this? Because you must have read maybe old one. You have to be updated. It is close to 42 crore, 41.75. That is the Union Minister of State said in Lok Sabha question, and this is of February, including those opened by BCs and private bank. Current account records transaction related to current accounts in BOP, balance of payment. So what all comes in current account? Know what is it? Current account, capital account and finance account. So all these factor and factor income, export and import of good and current transfers are the part of current account. Which banks took part in SHG bank linkage program, which is started by NABARD in 1992. It is important for financial inclusion. So all these RRBs, cooperative, commercial bank, all participated in SHG bank linkage. The question here is about Kishore in Mudra scheme. What is the amount in Kishore? So there are 3 loans scheme here: Shishu, Kishore and Tarun. Shishu is loan up to 50,000 rupees and Kishore is 50,000 above up to 5 lakh and Tarun is 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. In this there is also credit guarantee for Mudra loan scheme, and the idea of Mudra is to promote entrepreneurship, providing loans without collateral so that people can do small businesses. This is a SIDBI sponsored program. Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupan had announced for formation of Mukhyamantri Bagayat Vikas Mission and the mission deals with state level scheme, prominent one. What are their objective? You shall know. Here it is for accelerating agriculture, horticulture and promote farming of herbal plant, which will also provide employment opportunities through increasing export of such agricultural products. The Global Climate Risk Index is published by which of the following organization? The idea of this Global Climate Risk Index is to understand that vulnerable people in developed countries, they suffer most due to the extreme weather, storms, flood, heat waves and impact of the climate change. So this is published by the think tank German Watch. What is passive investment? Which of the following is an example of passive investment instrument? The correct answer is ETF. And passive investments, as the name suggests, is you are not actively monitoring, actively trading. Minimum intervention in the portfolio. You are trying to replicate the market, as if you are trying to copy the performance of the market. So you are buying lot of shares, lot of companies shares, trying to replicate the market. So that can be done by rather buying ETFs. The risk is less because it is like replicating the market, and it is inexpensive form of investing. You are not actively trading, you are not active in your involvement, you buy and hold. That is a passive investment. You answer this question: who releases human development report? Write your answer in the comment. We'll talk about human development in the next video. Utilize this opportunity. Your time is very precious. Crack RBI is your code. Subscribe to the channel. Government job exams are made easy by iExamBee. Press the bell icon.